Alright guys, today's the day. Point of no return is here. We're gonna go ahead and cut down the orange tree, and this is gonna be a fun one because this is a thorny orange tree, and if you can see in there, it has some huge thorns all over it. As delicious as it was my arch nemesis when it came to picking oranges. So we're gonna try and cut this thing out of here a little bit at a time, and try not to get hurt too bad. Give you a little chainsaw advice over here too. Now, everybody recognizes the old orange here. It's a steel. You cannot go wrong buying a steel chainsaw. This is an 18-inch, and this thing has cut more wood than I can even imagine. Good setup, heavy duty, nice bar. You can get different chains, more aggressive chains. But when it comes to starting these things, guys, you got 3 settings, or basically 4 settings on the throttle here. This is a no bulb pump style chainsaw. There's no bulb to get the fuel to the carburetor. So you go to the furthest setting down on your start, which is the full choke. You crank on it a couple of times, and as soon as this saw tries to fire over, you immediately move your notch up 1 notch to the half choke mark, which you can see there. You can then start the saw. If you leave the saw full choke and crank it longer once it's tried to crank, you're only flooding the saw. The choke is used to get the gas to the carburetor. Once the gas is to the carburetor, all you need is a half choke, which is also the high idle on this saw. So once you start it in this position, it will idle up, and make sure your brake is on because the chain will run. And you let the saw warm up. Once the saw is warmed up, you hit your throttle there, and you can see the switch automatically goes to the low idle run position. So full choke, crank it till it fires, half choke, crank till she runs, warm it up, and then to the low idle. I guarantee you do that and you run a 50-to-1 steel fuel, and these saws will crank every time, no problem. Alright, so let's see if my theory works here, and crank it up. Cold saw, full choke. You see it tried to fire, move it up 1 to the half choke position. Guarantee it's going to run every time.
for your help. Just one single tree. That tree branch is going down. I think it's gonna go down. Daddy, our orange is ruined. That tree, it's something. Our orange tree is ruined. Oh. How is he gonna move that? How is he gonna move that? Yeah, that's too big. Yeah. It's like kind of funny. That's not the ball. Not the ball. Oh, it's gonna hit me.
Jump back over here where you can see.
Sugar, stop it! That's great. That is total great because that has... Don't peel that! Don't peel that! It's starting to become fun. Daddy, you're good. You're good. That was good. You know that was good. It almost landed in your shoulder.
Hey guys, that was it. It's all ran perfectly. Never stored gas in your chainsaw for more than a week. If you're gonna be letting this sit up for more than a week, pour this gas back into your gas can. The carburetors have plastic floats, and if they sit in gas, they expand. Makes the saw hard to start. So use it, empty your gas out, it'll run fine next time. As far as the tree goes, I left the little stump there. We're going to try to pull that stump out rather than grind it because I need to put a couple of more trees back here in this spot. So more to come on pulling this stump out. I think we're going to use the tire method. If you don't know what that is, tune back in. Alright guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, and we're gonna be planting these too. Thanks guys.